Good morning friends, this is Avinash from Ambitronics Technologies, and today I am going to present to you how to use 16 cross LCD with STM32L4 microcontroller and run a date and time on it. First you need Macrovision 5 keel and STM32CubeMX in software on the PC. Starting with, go to STM32CubeMX, open it, go to new project, go to board selector, go to Nucleus 64, select M2 series, which is STM32L4, which I am using in this project. Select the first microcontroller, now it is generating the project. Go to pinouts, clear pinouts, which will clear all pinouts which were initially labeled. Go to RTC option, activate clock source and activate calendar. Go to clock configuration. No need to make any change in the clock configuration, it is already selected at maximum. Go to configuration, to RTC, select the data format as binary data format. This is the calendar date, this need to be set. This is the time, hours, minutes, seconds, which you can set from here. Starting from here, selected 18, the current is February, so second, date is 24, month is February, hours, you can change the hour format from here. I am using hour format 24, so hours 9 minutes 16 seconds 0. Apply and OK. Now go to pinouts. We need to label pinouts for LCD. PB2, select as GPI output, which will be the enable pin. GPI output, GP output. These two pins will be used for RSN read write. I am using 4-bit mode of LCD, so I will be using 4 data lines. I mean to say 4 GPIO pins, which will be connected to 4 data lines of the LCD. Now generate a code. For it, go to this symbol in STM32CubeMX. Give the name of the project. Select the tool ID. I am using Macrovision 5, so I will select this. Now you need to select OK. It will generate code in Macrovision 5 keel. The code is successfully generated. Now open the project, I have already generated it, so I will not open the project again. You need to go to this option. The already generated code is here. You need to mention these variables, these strings. This is LCD initialization. For clearing the LCD command 01. This is for initialization the RTC. This is code for running of time. This is for date. Now you will be able to see the project running on hardware. Okay.